Hi everyone from Rosemary Jasmar. I have an amazing recipe for you. It's vegan dish called Harak Osbao or he burnt his finger. Interesting, right? That is how irresistible it is. A traditional Damascene dish which is basically made with lentils, dough, fried onions and tamarind. A very delicious Syrian famous recipe. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to prepare the dough. So for the dough I need 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt and some olive oil. Add in some warm water and I'm going to knead the dough until everything comes together and the dough is ready. So I'm simply transfer it onto a cling film. That is perfect. I'm going to let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I have lightly floured a surface and simply roll it out. I want it nice and thin and you can see the dough is quite easy to work with. I'm gonna cut it with this cutter into rings like this. So now I'm going to do the same for half of my dough and then it will be time to bake them. These big one, I'm gonna bake them instead of frying until they are crispy and use them for decoration our dish. Small rings here, I'm gonna add them into the lentils as you will see later. Coat generously with flour so they don't stick together and set aside. Here I have some onion slices that I have fried in vegetable oil until golden brown. I will save the halves for decorating the top and the rest is going to go into the lentils. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take tamarind. This is going to be a part of our sauce. It will add an amazing sourness to our dish. So place the tamarind in a pot with the water, boil and simmer to 10 minutes. Let the tamarind soak for about 1 hour. At this point the water will have cooled down. Now smash the tamarind to extract the juice, strain it and the tamarind is ready. Now for the lentils, the brown lentils, I have 3 cups washed well and strained. I will just boil them in the water around 5 cups until they are soft and 3/4 cooked. In a pan, I'm gonna simply heat up some olive oil. I'm adding crushed garlic and coriander, and I'm gonna saute these a little bit, then it will be ready. Now time to add tamarind sauce. Add it slowly so you want it to reach a correct sourness. I add around 2 cups, stir it with the lentils, and I will add salt. Let them boil for 10 minutes. Then we will add the dough in batches. Whenever you add a batch, stir it so they don't stick together, and always have some hot water ready because you might need to add more water. I will add some fried onions and garlic with coriander. Now at this stage, it's only the dough needs to cook, and then it needs to thicken a bit, and you adjust the salt with sourness of tamarind to your liking. Now we are gonna scoop it into either a serving platter or individual bowls. Once it's come down to room temperature, put it in the fridge. We eat it cold. Finally, the decoration time. I'm gonna decorate with baked dough, fried onions, some garlic and coriander which we sauteed, and I will add the pomegranate. This is a dish that is done on a celebration. It's cheap, it's very healthy and very delicious. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.